Hi everyone. Welcome to the Lash's online channel. It's Victoria here with you again. Today, I want to talk about an important step in lash extensions, isolating the natural lash before attaching an extension. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It's a huge help in promoting my content. I've received a lot of feedback from you, and as a thank you, I've decided to offer a special gift, a free guide all about lash adhesive. In this guide, I've compiled the most important tips for working with glue for lash extensions. To get it for free, just follow me on Instagram and comment the word guide on my latest post, and I'll send it to you for free. Now, let's take a look at the client's eyes before the lash extension. She has naturally long and thick lashes, with almond-shaped eyes, so we decided to go with a classic set using lengths from 7 to 15 millimeters in a cat eye effect. We chose a C+ curl and 0.1 diameter. As usual, I prep the lashes and draw the map for you. I divide the eye into 4 sections and distribute the lengths. For the last section, about 1 centimeter, I fill it completely with 15 millimeters, and then divide the remaining sections into equal parts, creating a gradual transition from 14 millimeters to 7 millimeters. Next, I cleanse the lashes, brush them with a spoolie, and begin the lash application. The first step is to isolate the natural lashes before applying the extensions. I often get questions about the tweezer I use for isolation. This tweezer has a slight angle, which helps me work closer to the lash base. I know that many lash artists are taught to isolate with straight tweezers. I used to do that as well. But then I decided to try a different type and realized it's much more convenient. Your tweezers should have a good grip to hold on to natural lashes securely. If you decide to switch to a tweezer like mine, keep in mind that it might feel awkward at first, and even seem inconvenient, but once your hand gets used to the new position, it will become much easier. My second tip for isolating lashes is to start from the corners and finish in the center of the eye. I've tried different methods, and I believe this is the best approach. First, you won't miss any lashes. Second, the direction of the extensions will be much better. And third, you'll always understand how to blend lengths between layers and create smooth transitions. One last important tip for isolating: if you try my method, be careful not to push the already attached lashes too much with the isolation tweezer, or else your direction may end up uneven. Pay attention to how I isolate each lash in the video. In my opinion, isolating natural lashes is the most challenging step for beginners. Artists spend a lot of time on this part when doing the procedure for the first time. In my videos, I always show the isolation process in detail, so watch this part closely. It might help you understand how to isolate lashes better. I hope my videos are helpful to you. At the end of the procedure, I always double check for missed lashes and any stickies, then brush through the lashes to ensure they hold well. Let's take a look at the final result. Even though the length of the extensions is quite long, the overall effect is very natural. This is because the client has naturally long lashes, so 15mm suits her well. Leave your questions in the comments, give this video a like, and let me know what topics about lash extensions you'd like to see in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Bye for now, and see you next time.